then all of a sudden they read us as the winners, and I think I started crying, and then he started crying straight after me. So it was very emotional for us. We put a lot of passion into what it is that we do, and to be nominated was fantastic, but to win was just outstanding. Why did they choose us? The traditional foundation systems use polystyrene pods. They're an environmental contaminant and cause huge amounts of waste to landfill. The CLEVA POD is made of 100% recycled plastic. It replaces polystyrene. It can be fully recovered at the end of the life of the floor, saving an average of about 47 tonne of contaminated concrete going to landfill. So it's a world's first.